everyone. Happy June. This is Keith Carlson of nursekeith.com. I haven't done a video for weeks, so I'm really glad to be back. I've been a little bit busy. So today I want to talk about why it's important to create a local network for yourself, a local professional network. You know, I talk a lot about social media and connecting with people on LinkedIn and Facebook and Google Plus and Twitter and all those other places and following blogs and what nurses are saying online. But I want to talk today just a little bit about why it's important to know people here, right where you live. For instance, I live here in Santa Fe. And I go to a number of networking events to meet other healthcare professionals and non-healthcare professionals so that my name gets out there, so that people know what I do, and so that I know a lot of people and what they do here in town. And that's important for several reasons. For one, even though you may be very comfortable at your job and you feel like you're going to be at your job for maybe the next 20 years till you retire, jobs change, jobs end. The healthcare system and profession are very volatile. So you never know when you might need a referral from someone to pick up a full-time or part-time job. You might need a position, something might happen, or something might change. So knowing people here in the area where you live is very important for that reason alone. The other reason is that it's just nice to know other people and to know what they do. Say your cousin who lives down the street all of a sudden needs a physical therapist. Instead of running to the phone book or running to Google and typing in physical therapist in the town where you live, if you have a really robust network locally and regionally where you live, you'll probably know a physical therapist, or you'll know someone you can call or email and say, hey, you know a physical therapist my cousin can see? So this can benefit you on the professional level and also on the personal level. Meeting people in the area where you live who work in your general professional industry is very important, and also related industries. So here in Santa Fe, I am slowly over the last 4 years since I moved here getting to know as many nurses as I possibly can in town. Not because I necessarily need them for anything, but because I want to know who's in town, who's good at what they do, who knows who, and what all these little networks and connections are. I also want to know physical therapists. I want to know psychologists, psychiatrists, occupational therapists, and then I also want to know people who are maybe in related fields, maybe people who work with seniors, not on a healthcare level, but maybe on a more administrative level. I want to know folks at the assisted livings in town. I want to know people at the nursing homes, at the hospital, etc. Also, it's nice to know lawyers, accountants, bookkeepers, all of those people. Because part of living in your community is knowing who is who does what, who knows who, and how to make those connections. I live in Santa Fe, as I said. It's a city of about 83,000 people, a county of about 160,000, and a lot of things happen by word of mouth, including jobs. So on a personal and professional level, I think it behooves me to know as many people as possible, and not to be friends with all of them, but to know them at least and have some name recognition and have that extended network that I can reach out to as needed and who can also reach out to me. So that's just a little take I have that I was thinking about this morning. I had a little bee in my bonnet just about professional networking and networking right where you are, right where you live. Really important skill, really important practice. And I recommend you get out there and meet people, whether it's for drinks, coffee, for professional meetings, for informational interviews. Get out there, meet people, build your network, get your name out there, and get to know who's who does what, and how you can help one another. Take care, and I'll be back soon.